So we have these two rhizomes of canna, and we want to plant them. Now, since canna likes a lot of sun and a lot of water, uh, we are going to plant them near a sprinkler system. So I have made this hole in the ground near the sprinkler system, and it also likes a lot of fertilizer, a lot of compost. So we have put a lot of compost in it, and now we are just going to plant it there and hope that it survives the spring, and in the summer we get some flowers over there. So now we have planted the rhizomes and just press the soil so that there are no air pockets in there. And we have also created a well around the rhizomes so that whatever water it gets, it stays near the rhizomes and it stays in the well, so that the soil is moist most of the time, because that's what they like. So this is the almost beginning of summer, and we are hoping that they will grow, and they'll grow nicely in plants and bear some flowers this season. So 2 weeks have passed since the time we planted these canna bulbs, and you can see that they are doing very well. New leaves have come in both of them. Cannas are beautiful summer flowers, and they grow from the rhizomes. Rhizomes are the long tube kind of structure at the root, not like bulb, but it is a longer structure. They are so colorful. They come in many colors, yellow, red, orange, and they are perennial. So they last year after year depending on where you live. From USDA zone 7 to 10, they are perennials. I mean, if it is you have harsh winters, then you may want to lift the rhizomes and store them away in a cooler, but inside your house. But otherwise, you can leave them outside. They have these big leaves, which are like really huge, and some of them are variegated, so they look really nice even if they don't have flowers. They're really easy to grow. All they need is a lot of compost and a lot of water and full sun. So you can grow them outdoors in early summer, and the whole summer you will get the flowers. If you don't have that much space, you can also start it in a planter. If the summer is really harsh, then you may want to cover the bottom with the mulch, because that will keep the soil moist, because that's what they like. They like moist soil. So once the flowers have bloomed and faded away, you can prune them so that it continues to generate more flowers. These are really low maintenance and easy to grow perennials that if you have some space in your garden, you may want to plant them near the sprinkler system so that they get a lot of water by default because of the leakage or whatever. So cannas are native to North and South America, ranging from Argentina to South Carolina and parts of Caribbean islands. However, they grow in most parts of USA and in other countries as well. So as you can see that in about 2 to 3 months from those two small rhizomes, we got these lovely two plants, and there are more growing at the bottom. You can see that there are more stems coming out. So, it's doing well. So I hope this inspires you to grow your own canna plants, because they are really easy to grow. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.